celebrated in places where love really is put importance, no? Sa school namin, pag February, yung mga pakakatayan, makulo na yan. So this morning, I'll be sharing with you some of my love stories. Share my love stories? So, we'll be reading the seventh commandment. Yung seventh commandment is very crucial. Ano sabi sa seventh commandment? Thou shalt not what? Thou shalt not commit adultery. But Jesus pinalawak niya ang kautusan. Hello, isa lang ang pwede